Hello, middling modeler here. This isn't going to be builder's notes so much as a therapy session, so be warned. I recently completed a build of this guy, the USS Hornet from Tamiya, the waterline series, in 1/700 scale. Now, as far as notes on the build goes, the tooling on this is pushing 50. So this is not a young kit. More importantly, I'm not really a ship guy. I had a hard time getting fired up about it. I did have some small issues in a few places. There were some fitment issues where, like, the hangar deck aligning with the hull didn't quite work. I'm pretty sure I did not get the tower on straight. It's crooked, guaranteed. And I think that was my fault. I don't think that was the kit's fault. There are a few assembly points that are a bit clunky for a Tamiya kit by compared to a modern Tamiya kit. And I'm not an expert on the USS Hornet, but I think there are some inaccuracies along the hull, just based on some of the images that I saw when I was doing research on it. Other than that, you know, the problems I had, I can't really blame the kit. I'm just not a ship guy. I didn't have that much fun building this kit. So what do you do when you're not having fun building a kit? Well, for me, the answer to that is very simple. Get it done as quickly as possible. Do a job that you're not going to lose sleep over, but, you know, get it done. You're not looking to make an award winner. If you're not getting any joy out of it, carry on with something else, guys, because this is all about joy. Don't let a kit you're not interested in steal your joy. Now, why on earth would I be building a kit that I'm not particularly interested in? Well, I am part of a scale modeling club here in the Albuquerque area. Albuquerque Scale Modelers, link in the description below. And we have an upcoming contest themed on kits that are named after animals. So this is one of the kits that I was putting together. And yeah, here it is. I will say I took quite a bit of joy from doing the base. I've never done a water base before, so that was an experience, and I did this using the gloss gel medium and whacking it with a spoon, and then using airbrush to kind of bring up some more details, and that was how I created the base for this. You know, the Doolittle Raid is a fascinating piece of history, and from that perspective I was slightly interested, but yeah, it's a perfectly good kit for being 50 years old if you want to get in and build one of these, knock yourselves out. I'll get some nice pictures and images up here for you guys. Hope you enjoy it more than I did. Have fun, guys.